everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a delicious and easy recipe that's perfect for dinner: spicy creamy shrimp pasta. If you love pasta and seafood with a kick, you are going to want to stick around for this one. So just keep on watching the video and you're gonna learn from it. It's a very quick and easy recipe, as you know me. So to start, what you need broccoli, cheese. I use cheddar cheese, tomatoes, shallot, heavy cream, and shrimp, of course, parsley, and the spice, and pepper, olive oil, and the pasta, of course. All right, let's start by cooking our pasta in a large pot. So I'm just gonna start by boiling my water, add some salt, and add a splash of oil. Cook your pasta according to the package instruction until al dente. So once done, reserve about half of cup of pasta water and then drain the rest and set it aside. So while the pasta is cooking, let's move on to the shrimp. In a large skillet, heat up the oil over medium heat. Add your shrimp. Now before you add your shrimp, I'm gonna add a little bit of butter and then add my shrimp, and then I'm just gonna cook them for 1 minute because they already pre-cooked. So I'm just gonna cook them 1 or 2 minutes per side, and then after I'm gonna add my garlic or my spice. Just keep on watching the video. I promise you will love it. Yeah, you guys, now my shrimp are done. Now I'm ready to make my sauce. It's gonna be so creamy and so yummy, and you're gonna see. I love making those dishes, so just keep on watching, guys.